Why aren't your Facebook or Instagram ads not working? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram advertising, please give me a like and subscribe. And stay until the end, I have some free I want to give you. But let's jump into it. So if your Facebook or Instagram ads aren't working, then there's some things that I want to go over that really have to that has to work in order for them to convert, for the ad to convert into sales. So first of all, do you have a good offer? It has to be something compelling and something that your target audience really want. The offer can be a discount, but it doesn't have to be a discount. It can also be other things. It can be a good guarantee, maybe a money back guarantee, or it can be also a free additional product. It can even be a payment plan if you have a good payment plan, if it's a high ticket product. And also, do you have a good ad copy or good text on your ads? A good headline and a good description on your ads. It has to be very compelling and explaining your product in a compelling way and interesting for your target audience. And then also make sure you have no stupid mistakes, like that the ad isn't live and that the link on the ad is not going to the wrong website. And stuff like that. And then of course you have to have a good website. The website that you're taking people to has to be fast loading and mobile friendly, because most people they see ads on their mobile, because when we advertise on Facebook or Instagram, they're usually on the mobile, so if they click on it, they'll go to your website from their mobile. So it has to be fast loading and mobile friendly. And do you have an easy checkout with not too many steps? There has to be as few steps as possible, and everything has to work perfectly and be fast loading. And also, do you have your pixel installed so that you can track your customers or the people visiting your website? And do you have trust on your website? Does your website induce trust with your visitors? Like, do you have testimonials? Do you have trust badges, like that you accept PayPal and that your website is secure? And maybe you have been in different known magazines and stuff like that. All that induces trust. So showcase that if you have that. And then also you have to have, of course, a good ad, a good picture or video, something that is eye-catching and something that shows your product and shows the benefits of your products. So a good creative is very important. So those are some of the few things that really has to be perfect in order for your ad to convert as good as possible. But there's many other things, of course. So yeah, comment below if you have any questions. And the free thing I want to give you is down below in the description. There's a free ebook called Mastering Social Media Marketing Strategies for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. You can go ahead and download that completely for free. And also please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Also link in the description. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook, Instagram advertising for coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs, and lead generation. So if you want to learn more about it, there's a link in the description. You can book a call with me or my team. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.